Now we are on verdict watch for ex-Palm Beach Gardens police officer Nouman Raja.
Jurors started deliberating more than 4 hours ago now. News Channel 5's Michelle Casada, she's live this evening with the question jurors had just 2 hours into deliberation. Michelle?
Shannon, Kelly, well, first we just learned that the judge brought the jury in to reconvene and figure out where they are with the verdict right now. And they say they do want to return tomorrow at 8 a.m. So we know they will continue deliberating tomorrow. But today they did ask to re-watch the video where Nouman Raja walks investigators through their account of what happened the morning of the shooting, the morning that he killed Corey Jones. Now, the jurors watched all 50 minutes of Nouman Raja's account of what happened. At times, you can see Raja crying heavily in the courtroom. The jurors also asked the judge to be able to listen to the roadside assistance call again where you hear the shots fired. They also wanted to hear Raja's 911 call and the radio dispatch call. They had a question for the judge about the attempted murder charge. And of course, all this means that they've been paying close attention to the closing arguments and they want to review all the evidence. Prosecutor Adrienne Ellis opened her closing arguments painting a picture of who 31-year-old Corey Jones was.
Corey Jones was a young man who worked. He was a young man who played in a band called Future Presidents.
Ellis told jurors Jones was stranded at 3 o'clock in the morning, doing nothing but waiting for a tow when Nouman Raja, who was a police officer for Palm Beach Gardens Police at the time, pulled up.
The person who was sworn to protect him, the person who was sworn to serve, is the very same person who Corey Jones needed protection from that night.
Ellis told jurors Raja should be found guilty of manslaughter because he provoked what happened that morning. Raja says Jones pointed a gun at him and he shot him 3 times. Prosecutor Ellis says 10 seconds went by before the second round of 3 shots.
He's lining up his sight. Boom. Boom. Boom.
Defense attorney Richard Lubin started out his closing arguments calling Jones's death a tragedy, but said it was not a homicide.
What happened on the off-ramp was not a crime. As terrible as it might sound, it was not illegal for Officer Raja to do what he did.
And again, just moments ago, we learned that the jury will go home for the day and will be back again tomorrow at 8 a.m. to continue deliberations. We're told that the attorneys don't have to be back till 9 a.m., so for sure between 8 and 9, they will be deliberating. And then I'm sure the judge will gauge then at 9 a.m. to see where they are. Reporting live from the Palm Beach County Courthouse, Michelle Casada, WPTV News Channel 5.